Friday, the 14th of May. We already did one of these and we got the date wrong. Friday, the 14th of May. We are so excited that we are running a dream board workshop. My name is Lisa Byfield and I'm joined by Mindset Coach Kim Herman.
Hi.
And we would absolutely love to have you join us at the beautiful Chocolate Drops Tea Rooms on Friday the 14th of May to come and do your very own vision board. So how are you going to take people on a journey, Kim?
So we're going to connect through a beautiful meditation and visualization at the beginning of this workshop to help you connect with your heart and soul to your dream, to your vision, to what it is you want to manifest and bring into your life. And then we're going to have a beautiful time getting creative, creating your dream boards on beautiful Hessian boards that we've managed to get. We've sourced magazines for you, although you are welcome to bring your own images if you have specific ones you want to bring. And just, have some fun with other like-minded people. And then at the end, I'm going to help educate you on the best way that you can use these dream boards, because it's not about just making it and sticking it up somewhere. It's about how to connect with it daily and what steps do we need to take to help bring those dreams into our reality.
So many of us have forgotten how to dream. We get into our vehicle and we need to know where we're going because we're not going to get there, and yet so many of us don't treat our lives like that. So if you think of ABC back the front, so the C is for create. We have to create the vision that we want. And that sounds really easy, doesn't it? But you ask the majority of people, they've got no idea what they want. And Kim's going to help you, teach you how to connect with that. The second thing is you've got to have that belief that it's actually going to happen. And most people sadly don't have that either. And that's why most people are just going around in circles. And the third thing is, once you've got those two covered, is you have to take action once that beautiful vision board is created. So I'm really, really excited because I think that this is really going to give people the opportunity to be able to invoke change in their lives, Kim.
Absolutely, it is. And it's amazing when you invest that time and that effort to connect with what you want to manifest. It's amazing where we can be powerful manifestors and co-creators in our life.
Yep, absolutely. All right, we're really looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Bye.